And what we specialize is into the integration and interfacing of every piece of equipment that you see that we're presenting here, to make sure that any technology that comes up today with our equipment, we are capable of making sure that they all work together with the PMS, with the BMS, and whatever required to make sure that it's smooth operating by the hotel with regards to security, energy management, and guest services. We will welcome anyone to come and talk to us after this presentation, and any question, my team or me will be able to help you. Thank you very much for attending.
Services, and my name's Martin Ryan, and this is Chris. As the name suggests, we're involved with planetary maintenance, and unlike my friend here, Gideon, we're more the nuts and bolts people. No sophisticated electronics to sort through, and that they're just the raw old slugging of removing old equipment that's there, such as louvers, third wire mesh, motors, sheet metal work, painting of floors, and keeping the place back of house clean. We've been doing this for quite a few years. I was just looking at my membership the other day, and my individual membership has got over 27 years of membership with this. Plus, previous to that, I've had over 10 years of corporate membership when I was under Email Limited, before the word email had even been known as a paper trail. So, pretty well known around the industry. We're pretty flexible in what we do. If we can do something for you, we're gladly happy to assist you. And if we can't do it, we normally try and point you in the direction of someone that can assist you. So we've had a good relationship. We work well on our name. Our name has become popular because of the understanding we've had with each other, and we've worked through together. And that's really what's made our job a lot easier, understanding our customers and our customers understanding us. So we thank them for that, and we enjoy being a part of this institution, and encourage anyone else to join it and get the benefit they can from being part of an institution such as this. So thank you all.
Hello everyone. So wasn't that long ago I was actually a Director of Engineering for Park Heights Sydney, and I chose to join this company. It took me out for a coffee, the boss did, and asked me to go and work for him. So here I am. So we are a cleaning facade upgrade company, but we're innovators in the field. So we use upscaling techniques, not like typical abseilers. So it's made us very competitive, reduced a lot of our labour costs. Apart from that, we're innovators in the field, so we've patented our own access systems. We've got something called a SkyPod, which we drop down the side of a building, encapsulate a small area, and keep it confined. So it's an interesting company to work for, but yeah, anything really painting, cleaning, remedial that you require, especially in those hard to reach areas, that's where we are the special, that's where we're the best. So been around 30 years, started as a window cleaning company, one man on his own, and he's taken it to this level now. So we're also moving into drone 3D mapping of sites. We started to use it for our estimating purposes, and we've seen what can come of it and what can be offered. So please come and check me out if you've got an interest. Thank you.
Maiko, we do warewashing, everything from the smallest glass washer in the bar to the largest piece of warewashing equipment that can be made in the world. Maiko is the largest factory for dishwashers globally. We've got a pretty big footprint here in Australia at the moment. If you guys are interested in anything in your hotels, from the bar spaces, we've got glass washers with polish-free reverse osmosis systems that can give you great perfect results without the need for hand polishing. That's a big topic at the moment. And if you've got a bigger kitchenette area where you want to look at automation or speeding up the process in the kitchen in terms of plates and dishes and cutlery, we can also look at something like that as well. So come by and have a chat later on, and that's it. Thanks.
Welcome. My name is Brad from DishTech. I'm the Council Service Manager. DishTech specialise in repairs and maintenance of commercial kitchen equipment. We pretty much cover everything in the kitchen, going from tabletop processors, food process mixers, blenders, slicers, all the way down to your combi ovens, your gas equipment, all your electric food supply systems, trolleys, and your dishwashers, conveyor dishwashers, pretty much cover it all. We specialise in preventative maintenance, but also repairs. So we're big on maintenance. Maintenance is probably a big important part of keeping the equipment in working order to make sure that you don't have your breakdowns at critical times, and also it should reduce the cost of the equipment and keep the longevity of the equipment and make it last a lot longer than what it would if it wasn't serviced. Also, we have a sister company, I'll pass you over to Boris, called Cater Supply. I'll let you know about that.
Thank you, Brad. Thank you everyone for making me so welcome. This is the first time I've been here, so I do appreciate it. Cater Supply has been in business for quite some time. We supply chemicals and packaging to your venues. So one of the frequent questions I get is, how cheap are you? And my natural response is, you get value for money. If you buy cheap, you get cheap. We all know that. But if you get value for money, you're not throwing it down the drain. We bought a couple of things that have come across. The new biodegradable cling wrap, that's very good, and the bamboo chucks. They're very good, very popular. So if you're going down that plastic-free tray, this is the way to come. Now, I know there's a lot of people to talk, so if you have any questions, please come and have a chat to us. More than happy to answer your questions individually, and we'll go from there. Thank you.
To be here with you. We are a simple company. We only do one thing, that is helping you to reduce the risk of fire. And we do it that just cleaning the ducting, the fans, and the canopies on your kitchen. So that's what we do. And with a fire, you know, the hotel will be closed. So it's another way to reduce that risk and be safe, no? So I have my colleagues here, Chiro and Toby. So anything that you need from us, please come by and ask.
Hey guys, my name's Tom with Clevertronics. We've got Pascal and Graham here as well. So we're an Australian-owned exit and emergency lighting manufacturer. In addition to making regular exits, emergencies and battens, we also have a fully monitored emergency lighting system. So basically what that means is you're not running around test switches, turning circuits off, running around in the dark as you would in the old days. It's fully computerized. You can set your 6 monthly test, automated, get your reports, all your compliance done through a computer, and just sort of streamlined, save a lot of costs with maintenance. And yeah, that's basically about it. We've done a bunch of different hotels. Radisson's one of them. A few contractors here we've done upgrades with. So if you need any case studies done, or if you need any evidence, we've got some people to back it up here. So if you have any questions, come ask about us and fill you in.
And total ventilation hygiene, and we do pretty much everything that has to do with the HVAC systems in your building. So we do HVAC, mechanical, electrical, and then also fire monitoring and testing, etc. in your buildings. And I'm from the HVAC hygiene division of the company, and we do everything from air handling unit cleaning, including the fans, the foils, the plenums, etc. We do filtration work, we do duct cleaning, and then mold cleaning inside the duct work. We do indoor air quality testing, etc. So it's pretty much a comprehensive HVAC hygiene service that we offer. We also do laundry exhaust and kitchen exhaust cleaning, and then large-scale mold and lead remediation for those kinds of problems as well. So come by and see me if you have any questions about anything that has to do with your HVAC hygiene, and I'll refer you to anyone about fire, electrical, and mechanical as well in our company. Thank you very much.
The service we would provide, maintenance service of circular pumps, anything to transport water for the hot water, cold water boosters, circular pumps. And also we've got the other side of the company, which is liquid waste. So if you've got any emergency or any flooding in your sites, we can help you with that side of the business. We've got, I know your hotels are very low in the parking. We've got low bearing trucks that 1.8 they can go underneath and get you out of problem, clean the pits. So if you've got any questions, I've got a couple of information here. If you've got any question or any assistance with quotes, or you're thinking of refurbishing for CapEx or putting some money aside, we can help you with that. So give us a yell, come and see us. Thank you.
Good evening all. Got a few more products than some of these guys here to show you, but I'll get through it pretty quickly. I'm Simon Burgess, Radisson AV, a partner of Harvey Norman Commercial. We're the, say, the importer distributor for a lot of technology products going into hotels, and Harvey Norman Commercial are our partner in pushing it out to market, I suppose, especially within the hotel industry. Everything from okay, so we can do not just a distributor, we can do designs, put everything together, bill of materials, schematics, all that type of stuff. One of the brands we distribute is Philips Hotel TVs, so Netflix, Google Play Store, Chromecast built in. It is the only TV with Netflix point-to-point secure connection. I've got digital signage for the Philips products as well. We're the Australian importer of JBL in-store products, in-ceiling speakers, performance spaces, that type of stuff as well. These soundbars, JBL soundbars, so the metal front on it, proper commercial grade, can't be turned up too loud so it can't interfere with the rooms next door, that type of thing. No Bluetooth so they can't play the music too loud at night, that type of thing as well. Again, some of the stuff we do to support our projects, proper designs. AMEX control systems, so lighting control, blown control, all that type of stuff. Yealing VC solutions, again, help with designs for that, so Microsoft Teams, Zoom rooms, all the likes of that. Audio roper, hearing augmentation. I think that's part of a lot of the building codes in Australia. You need the you need to meet that certification, so we can help again with designs with that. Mounts for a lot of the TVs and digital signage, and yeah, the guys at Harvey Norman Commercial, they're not just your white goods and bathrooms and furniture, that type of stuff. They've got a very good AV division as well.
Cool.
Thanks for coming, everyone. My name is Jeremy Cronk. This is Belinda. We're from Shepherd Filters. 7 years ago, I was burnt in a horrible fire. It doesn't look like it, but I can show you the scars to prove it. That ended up with me in coma for a month and a half and 6 months in hospital. 2 years of being in a burn suit, I looked at all kind of ways to stop fires, and one of them was I came up with this invention of putting wool across the front of a metal filter. Why do we do that? It's because currently a metal filter stops on the 20-30% of grease and it ends up going on your duct. You've got to get that cleaned out because you have the risk of fire. So if we can stop that at the start, we certainly can save the risk and the money of duct cleaning, which is certainly a big benefit to some clients. We've worked with the likes of Marriott, we're approved, McDonald's. We have an office in London and New Zealand, and yeah, come and see me. Lots of the engineers that have tried our product are very impressed, so happy to discuss it.
Are you there? Just want to make sure everyone's listening. Everyone's been pretty tame. It's probably going to be tame again. I'm not used to talking in front of cameras, so we started this business 15 years ago. It's grown. Some of the things we've done, we do a lot of aged care. So we do a room in aged care. It's 1 bedroom, 1 kitchen, little kitchenette, and we have to turn around in 10 days. So we're pretty streamlined because we're a small company. We all work together. My daughter is Isabel. Everyone here is like a brother to me. It's a close-knit group that works really well together. In our refurbs, we also do kitchens, bathroom renovations, flooring, tiling, painting, everything you can imagine on building aspects we'll do. We reinstall walls, we do all access, swing stage, boom access, scissors. So any spalling effects, if you don't know what spalling effects are, spalling effects is on the outside of the building. That's the render of the building. It starts to crack, you get water coming into the building and it starts to expand on the Rio and starts to expand, and then you have, once that starts to expand, your concrete starts to blow out. So we've done lots of swinging stage work, high rise, buildings around Sydney. We have, we're a small company that just makes it work. On the aircon side of things, we've just recently come available with us, and we've opened up another avenue as another arm. So with the aircon, we've been doing splits and ducted systems, which is sort of more residential. However, we're trying to get into break ground into the sort of commercial market. So in that, we're trying to evolve. So we're here tonight, and we've been members of the association for about 5 years now, attending the meetings, and we're very interested in getting a bit more work out of the engineers of Australia. So thank you.
Hi everyone, my name is Peter from Argent. This is Simon here with me. So those of you who might not know about Argent, we're the exclusive Australian distributors of some high quality German brands such as Shell, who do sensor taps and flush valves, Hansa, German tapware and shower manufacturer, Beta, who do titanium steel baths. But what probably most notably we're known for is we are also partially owned by Villeroy & Boch. So here we've brought out our new colour choice range. So what a lot of people probably see Villeroy & Boch is their tableware, glasses, all those types of things. But they are very big in their sanitary ware side of things as well. So this year they're celebrating their 275th birthday, which is a very major milestone. It's actually the longest family-owned company anywhere in the world. To coincide with our 275th birthday, we've brought out a couple of new ranges to really bring a bit more colour and vibrancy to the bathrooms. So what you can see here is our Artiste range. So what this is your white basin in the middle with the colour on the exterior. I could go through the colours, but to be totally honest, I'm completely colourblind, so I just look at the names on there and tell people that's what they are. Yeah, pretty glasses the colours up. We'll go with yellow. The other thing that we've got is our colour choice range, which is our tapware range here. So this is now available in chrome, brushed nickel, brushed gold, matte black and gunmetal. It also goes through to our full DDA range, which is our extended lever here, but we also do all your grab rails and backrests for your toilets. So if anyone wants to come have a chat about what we can kind of offer and what we can do for our hotel programs on the front of hall side of things, come have a chat to us. The other thing that we're very big on is our service side of the business. So we don't just forget you once you do install our products on the wall and hope for the best. We are there for the lifetime of the product. So we have what's called our Gold Partnership Program for all our hotels. So what that does is gives you exclusive access directly to Argent, where you're able to purchase spare parts and talk to the industry experts within our business for what you need. So that just breaks down, the cost of having a room out of action for a week while you're going through different channels trying to work out, what parts needed. Something as simple as a toilet seat hinge or something like that. You can just come directly to us, show us the photo of what you need, and we can get the part straight out to you. So, thank you.
To introduce ourselves, the company is Pro-Space Innovations. My name is Alfonso. Many of you probably know me as Fons, if you use. What we provide is service and maintenance to operable walls between rooms, like this one here that you can't see, but it's kept away for different function rooms at the same time, so they can enjoy of the acoustic, not to invade the other room when there are two functions at the same time. Apart from that, we've been expanding during these nearly 10 years now into a service and installation of automated gates and roller shutters as well. But not only that, now today is pretty much for you an exclusive. We are adopting a distribution in Australia from Europe on automatic doors that probably every single building probably has one or maybe two or more. The benefit of these automatic doors, apart from being a European quality, is that they can be managed remotely.
and at the same time they can actually be assisted remotely as well. So we're just gonna give a little bit of a probably 1 or 2 minutes video in regard to show how remotely can be and how it can assist the chief engineers and the maintenance people. They're not necessary to be on site, but they can actually manage it, from home or wherever you are, guys. All right, just give me 1 sec. And hopefully the answer. Yeah. So basically, this is Manusa from Europe.
This is the Visio Plus operator, the very latest in Manusa operators and a complete multi-purpose solution for the automation of intelligent accesses. Its great versatility means that it can be installed on automatic single slide or bi-parting doors in a standard or telescopic configuration. The Visio Plus operator also includes IoT, Internet of Things technology, which streamlines the connectivity and remote control of the door and provides the assembly with new functions and advantages, making it safer and more versatile, flexible and adaptable. The Visio Plus operator range includes state-of-the-art technology and is made up of 3 versions of drive units: Visio Plus 100, Visio Plus 125, Visio Plus 125 HD. Its features and size adapt to all construction requirements. The entire range of Visio Plus operators is equipped with Manusa inverter technology that allows custom settings for each installation, with high-performance asynchronous motors and advanced control electronics. These operators guarantee the best dynamic features in terms of speed and acceleration, and offer greater energy savings to help towards more sustainable environments. The Visio Plus operator makes your doors the fastest in the market and promotes their mechanics to guarantee your safety and optimum hygiene conditions. IoT technology provides additional functions through mobile apps for both users and technical service, such as easy installation and maintenance, adaptable to all environments, versatility and flexibility, safety, increased control, real-time information. The new Visio Plus electronics makes remote software updates easier. With the launch of Visio Plus, Manusa continues to open its doors to the future, developing its intelligent solutions through the most state-of-the-art innovation and technology to reach every corner of the world.
Up to 80% within 24 hours. We do it without water, in or out, enzymes, bacteria or any other additives. We build our units in Albury, New South Wales, and we export to the UK, UAE, and we've just opened an office in Singapore as well. Our main business proposition, certainly to hotels, is that most hotels are generally still sending food waste to landfill. That's being picked up by our friends at the waste companies and charging you $400, $500, $600 a tonne for the privilege, and we can do it for a lot less than that. And we're not putting it into landfill where it's producing methane gas, but we're turning the residue that we take out of there, which is, as I said, reduced 80% and dry. We can use that as a feedstock for anaerobic digestion, which then creates biomethane gas and goes back in the electricity grid. We can blend it with compost, and we're working with Deakin Uni in Geelong, where they're looking at it as an aqua feed and pet food. Yeah, we've got units in the city here at Park Hyatt, Pete's left now, Four Seasons and the Hilton. So thank you very much.
Thanks, David.
We do a lot of work for the hotel engineers in here tonight, from basic electrical maintenance and repairs to emergency light testing and replacement. We're pretty familiar with the Clavitronics Hive system, so if anybody's looking to upgrade, we can help them alongside the guys from Clavitronics. I've also brought Michael with me from FuseCode. He's just going to give us a quick talk on what they can provide for you guys.
Thanks guys, my name's Mark Matanka, I'm the State Manager for FuseScope. We're a niche supplier of fuses, protection relays, power quality, current transformers, VSDs, and we've just introduced UPSs into our product range. So we help doing the power quality side for hotels and mining and everything like that. We're doing turning dirty power into clean power and helping reduce costs for everyone in the long run. So yeah, so we've got a lot of product here and a lot of information, so if you don't mind, come and have a chat. Definitely here and happy to help. So one of the benefits of FuseCo too is we're not also just a supplier and distributor. We've got a big team of engineers that we go out and do consults, lunch and learns and everything like that, so we train also and supply. So thanks for having me. Thanks.
For those of you who don't know me, we're an American chemical company, and a very large part of what we do is water treatment for your buildings. We cover every aspect of water treatment, everything from your chillers, your cooling towers, all the obvious ones, right through to we can do samples of the rooms and things like that. We have a huge amount of technology that is exclusive to us, and we've got quite a lot of it here tonight, including solid chemical programs, replacing liquid chemicals for your cooling towers and things like that. We also have a lot of waste maintenance products like the EcoStorm, and that is able to reduce the fat in your systems, your drains. There's a huge amount of things that we can offer that you build your buildings, but basically what we're there to do is to make your buildings last longer and to save you energy. And we're very, very good at doing it. We've been doing it for 104 years now. So I won't go into a lot of detail tonight because there is a huge range that we cover, but if you have any questions about water or corrosion protection or anything like that for your buildings with regard to water or cooling towers or the drain systems, please come and see us. Thanks guys.
Huge Japanese company, turning over about 55 billion a year, so it's a very big operation. The one that takes my fascination now is in the corner, that room delivery robot, fully integrated with the lift systems. It's manufactured by a company called Kenon, which you have a major shareholding in, and completely autonomous. So the big talk of hotels now is how many Uber Eats or menu log deliveries come to the front desk every day. And so every time someone leaves to take it to the room, there's another 10 minutes wasted. All you need to do, push a button, put it in, close it, 1, 2, 3, 4, whatever the room number is, and hit go. Just before it gets to the room, it telephones the room, they come out, take their stuff, and it goes back where it belongs, back at the front desk. Very, very impressive demo. The vacuum robot that's on the other side there, has been around for quite a long time now. Actually, in robot terms, it's probably called a dinosaur. It's 3.5 years old now, so that's forever ago now. But it is an absolute workhorse. We've sold about 25,000 units worldwide, and really, really well appreciated. And runs, I think the first customer in Australia was Hilton Cairns, 3.5, 4 years ago. They still run it today, and it's still working on the same map from 4 years ago every day. It's used every single day. So, and the one over the back, similar to this one, is a tray delivery robot, and used it for busing or table service. And the tray delivery robots are a bit of a situational robot, if you ask me. It's like, where do you want the robot to be? How do you want it to work? What do you want it to do? How's it going to impact the way your food and beverage staff operate right now today? And then you're going to make sure that works in, so that all the labour savings, all the heavy work is done by one of these, not just ours, there's plenty of them around, and then you can change the operations and augment the staff, take all those mundane tasks.
The door is closing, be careful.
That was tiny. Take the mundane tasks away or take the heavy lifting away, which is another thing, because one of these can carry 40 kilos at a time. So fantastic for buffet style breakfast where people are just using dish after dish after dish, just send them away to the washing. That's about it for me.
Up for Steve.
finish back out.